Hello my friends, today we're gonna replace the brake system in the 2011 Chevy. So you have to remove this bolt right here. You have to use these two. This one.
All the tension in
And
the
the new
world
brakes.
today. All the little girls filling up the world
Brakes.
today. With the good comes the bad comes the good. But I'ma live my
Now
life like I
push
should.
this back.
Now all the critics wanna hit it.
And
It's
then
can and we did it. Just because they don't get it. But I'll stay fitted. New era committed. Now this red cap gets a rap from these critics. But do we always gotta cry? Do we always gotta live inside a lie? Life's just a flash, just us moving really fast. Better stay on top or life will kick you in the ass. Follow me into a solo. Remember that, kid? So what you wanna do? And where you gonna run when you're staring down the cable about the mic pointed at your grill like a gun? The biscuit is rocking the set. It's like Russian roulette when you're placing your bet.